Buffer preparation for famotidine USP-SE HPLC method. The mobile phase for the USP-SE of famotidine typically consists of a phosphate buffer and acetonitrol. Below is a step-by-step guide to preparing the buffer. -1. Reagents required: potassium dihydrogen phosphate capoanalytical grade phosphoric acid HPO for pH adjustment deionized or HPLC grade water acetonitrate HPLC grade -2. Preparation of phosphate buffer. Weigh and dissolve the buffer salt 1. Weigh 6.8 grams of potassium dihydrogen phosphate capo. 2. Transfer to a 1000 milliliters volumetric flask or beaker. 3. Add about 900 milliliters of deionized water and stir until completely dissolved. B. Adjust the pH 4. Using a calibrated pH meter, measure the pH of the solution. 5. Adjust the pH to 6.5 using diluted phosphoric acid if pH is too high or diluted potassium hydroxide if pH is too low. 6. Once the correct pH is reached, transfer the solution to a 1000 milliliters volumetric flask and make up to volume with deionized water. -3. Mobile phase preparation. Typical mobile phase composition: 90% buffer solution, 10% acetonitrolists. 1. Measure 900 milliliters of the prepared buffer. 2. Add 100 milliliters of acetonitrol HPLC grade. 3. Mix well and filter through a 0.45 micrometers membrane filter. 4. Dega the solution using an ultrasonic bath or vacuum filtration. -4. Storage and stability. Use fresh buffer for the best results. If stored, keep it at room temperature for up to 24 hours in a tightly closed container. If needed for longer use, refrigerate and allow it to return to room temperature before use.
Dissolution test for famotidine tablets USP method. The dissolution test measures the rate at which famotidine is released from the tablet into a dissolution medium. It ensures consistent drug release for bioavailability and therapeutic effectiveness. 1. Apparatus and test conditions. Apparatus: USP dissolution apparatus type to paddle or type 1 basket. Dissolution medium: 0.1 and hydrochloric acid HCl, 900 milliliters. Temperature: 37 plus or minus 0.5 degrees Celsius. Rotation speed: paddle method, 50 revolutions per minute. Basket method: 100 revolutions per minute. Test duration: 30 to 45 minutes as per monograph. 2. Preparation of dissolution medium 0.1. Take 8.5 milliliters of concentrated HCl. 2. Dilute with 1000 milliliters of deionized water. 3. Mix well and degas by sonication or filtration. 3. Procedure: 1. Preheat the dissolution medium to 37 degrees Celsius in the apparatus. 2. Place 1 tablet in each vessel. 3. Start the apparatus and run for the specified time, for example, 45 minutes. 4. At the specified time points, for example, 5, 10, 30, or 45 minute, withdraw 10 milliliters of the solution. 5. Filter through a 0.45 micrometers membrane filter to remove undissolved particles. 4. Sample analysis by UV-Weiss or HPLCA UV-Weiss spectroscopy method. Wavelength: 265 nanometers. Standard preparation. Weigh accurately 50 milligrams of famotidine USP reference standard. Dissolve in 900 milliliters of 0.1 and HCl to match the dissolution medium. Dilute as needed to match sample absorbance range. Absorbance of sample is compared to the standard using the formula text dissolution % equals left frac text absorbance of sample text absorbance of standard a right times 100. B. HPLC method column C18 254.6 millimeters 5 micrometers. Mobile phase buffer phosphate and acetonitrol 90 to 10. Flow rate 1.0 milliliters min. Detection 265 nanometers. Injection volume 20. Acceptance criteria USP specification: at least 80% of famotidine should be dissolved within 45 minutes. Compare results to the USP monograph for compliance.